Namaste. My name is Laxmi Bhavani. I am 67 years old. I am staying at Dharamkaran Road. I came to know about Dr. Ranganath Reddy from Facebook and Instagram. I came to Aster Prime Hospital just to inquire and see him. After speaking to him, I was very much impressed and convinced. He is the perfect doctor I felt. And immediately I told my problems. 4 years back, I have gone to Canada for 6 months. There, I have fallen in the snow. My nephew said, you have to go for orthopedic and all. I came to India. After coming over here, I got some little injections like PRP. But I want permanent solution as I'm having mother, 87 years old. She got recently hip replacement. She's on the bed with walker. She's moving around. I have to take care of her. As I'm single, I'm taking care of her. So immediate solution I want. So I informed all my problems to doctor. Good solution I'll give you, he said, and he encouraged me to go for the knee replacement. Actually, for my two legs, it's fourth stage. I tried Ayurvedic, homeopathy, whatnot, everything I tried, PRPs and all, but no use for me. Finally, Dr. Ranganath Reddy, he encouraged me for the knee replacement. I said, I may be having lot of pain. I may not be able to take care of my mother. He said, nothing doing. With your willpower, you can go ahead. Within a month, you will be perfect, he said. Like the third day, I was able to walk. Actually, my friends also told me, it's like hell, you can't face physio. But doctor encouraged me. If you are having pain, they will stop. Today I am here. I'm moving. I'm very happy. Staff and doctors, everyone is fine here. Hygiene is good. Hospital treatment is very, very nice. They are very cooperative, friendly, and affectionate. And I refer this hospital and doctor to all my friends and relatives. Thank you.